we have this object with mass released at the top, and we want to know the speed at the bottom of the swing. So we're going to use energy considerations. One thing to be clear on, here we have all EG. Down here we have all EK. The other thing to note is that for this, H is actually twice the radius, because I go from here up to here, so that's one radius covered, two radii covered. So that means that's going to be 1.6 meters. Now let's go ahead and get the speed at the bottom of the swing. We're going to say EG at the top equals EK at the bottom. And that's going to give us MGH equals 1/2 mv squared. So 0.1 times 10 times my height, which is 1.6, equals 1/2 times 0.1 times v squared. Simplifying some of this, we're going to end up getting that 1.6 equals 0.05 times v squared. We'll divide both sides by 0.05. And that'll give us a value for v squared. 32. We'll square root both sides to get v. And what we'll get is that the speed at the bottom is going to end up being about 5.66 or 5.7 meters per second. All right, now we want the tension in the rope at the bottom of the swing. So at the bottom of the swing, let's draw the proper free body diagram. We have the tension going up. We have the weight pointing down. So we have T minus mg equals m v squared divided by the radius. So that's going to be T minus, let's put in our numbers, 0.1 times 10 is going to equal 0.1 times v squared, which we got as 32 because that's v squared is 32, which we isolated before, divided by our radius, which is 0.8. And so we're going to end up getting that the tension equals, when we simplify, 1 plus, so that's going to be, it's actually going to end up being 1 plus 4, which is giving me 5 newtons worth of force, if I did that right. Let me just double check. So 32. Yep. All right. So that is 5 newtons worth of force. Now it says, if the rope can only support 2 newtons of tension, does it break or not? Yes, it breaks. And it needs to be able to support 5 newtons of tension to be able to hold the mass without it breaking. All right, so that is question number 2.